Hello and welcome back again, my friend, with Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. Before we even start, I want to tell you something very important. Because a lot of people, I got them in my Telegram channel, they started making disgusting there. They said they don't understand my analysis or something like that. So now listen to me very careful. If you are a long-term trader, I'm going to do for you here in the video a timeline down. So down you're going to find a timeline of the daily, 4 hours and 30 minutes. So if you are a long-term trader or a long-term investor, don't watch 4 hours and don't watch 30 minutes. Stay only with the daily. If you are a swing trader, don't watch the daily and don't watch 30 minutes. Watch only 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and a day trader, forget about daily and 4 hours and stick only with 30 minutes, because you would decide which type of trader you are. I repeat it again. You would decide which type of trader you are. Yeah, don't give signals. Me, I give you my analysis, how I saw the market. Then you go to your chart and try to find the opportunity. Everything is too clear? Now let's start our lesson of today. So as you see here, that the weekly candle and the weekly candle here, it's finished here. It's giving us here a price indicating that the market is going to reverse. Because if you look in here, by the way, here in the weekly, also we're analyzing just for long-term traders. Here it gives us a cup and handle here like that, as you see it very clear here, as you see it here. Yes or no? That cup and handle there, what it done? Let me show you something else. You remember that top of that wage also we used to have very long-term wage. Yes or no? If we came and we zoom out like that, what you seeing? We got that wage from all those places. Yes or no? And over here, as you see it, it's breaking here. Should you enter long? I'm talking here about long-term investors. You waiting the next week if we are going to break here the 200 moving average or no? Yes, you're going to enter late, but it's better for you because it needs another candle to tell you that it's real breakout, not a fake breakout and market to go back again down. Remember those things, because us we stay below in the 200 moving average. Remember those things, me, I'm telling you very well. If you don't want to watch my analysis, just DCA once a day, once a week, just buy slowly by slowly. We don't know exactly what's going to happen here. It might we're going to break that 200 moving average and we go up, or it might is going to come another week and the market is going to drop. And we are very close to the monthly candle close, so you need to make a close eye what the market is going to do here. Everything is too clear. And even here, if you came and you try to see the volume, what the volume telling you there. Look with me here. The volume is getting lower. Yes or no? And we haven't go back yet. That's what me, I'm telling you. It's not yet, a little bit, just 1 week. It will not hurt you another week. Remember that. And here, what we got the coming news for that week. We got that one, personal spending. That one is not something important. Personal income, even that one is not important. The most important is that one. That core PCI, which is going to come in 27 Jan. That one is very important. It's going to tell us the inflation, what it's doing and how it's going to come. And all the people tell now they're still waiting what the Fed is going to do, if we're going to sell or no. Everything is too clear. I think I explained to you very well here. Now let's go into the daily to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the daily. So let's go in there. Here we are in the daily. Here in the daily, yesterday video we tell you here the market, look what it's showing there. Yes or no? Look at it. It give you here 2 candles, one green and one red. Yes or no? Should you enter long now? No, not yet. Should you enter short here or close that long position also we buy from down here from 15k? Not yet. You need to wait a little bit. Why? I'm going to explain to you why. Because I just been explaining to you in the weekly. And here, look with me what you have. We need a candle at least to come to break for us that last high, which is here, that one. Or that last high of that tail of that candle. Need to be focused about those things, me, I'm telling you. And here, what we got here in the daily. We still stuck here in that supply and demand zone. There is no one buying from a level. Unless if you don't know what you're doing. It needs to be broke. At least it needs to be broke. We need to break all that level here. Look with me here. That one here. Tell the last here and that one here. It needs both of them to be broken. It needs to do like that. or it's going to come another correction to the 200 moving average. That is going to be a very nice opportunity for you to buy. Now we haven't break up. So till now there is no entry long here in the daily. I'm talking about the break of the trend line. People they've been with me for some time. We enter from down here. Actually also we enter from here and here. From that place here and that place here. You need to remember all those things. If you don't believe me, I can even put for you a short video showing all those things. Now what should we do? We need to wait a little bit. We need the break to happen here. At least here. In that zone here. We need a break to happen here. If it doesn't, there is no entry yet. I'm talking here about long-term traders. It needs a break to happen here at 24,981. We need a break to happen here for us to know it's real breakout. Till now, it's my down just a rest in here. And even the candles, they are there. They don't got that big power. And when we go to 4 hours, I'm going to explain to you why I'm still thinking it will not go more higher than that. I think everything is too clear. You get the picture now. Now let's go into the 4 hours for swing traders now. Now is the time for swing traders. So let's go into the 4 hours to analyze for you what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, what else we said? We came down to the tails of those candles, that one and that one. And we're doing a line like that. And here in the top, we're doing like that. We said we got here a megaphone. If it came and breaking up here, the top of that megaphone here will enter long again. If the market came down and breaking lower here, we will close all our long position. We enter from down and we will open a short position. I think everything is very, very, very simple. People they begin with us, where us we enter long. You just came now, us we enter long from here. I want just swing trading, not long-term traders. We enter long from here. Over here now, we're protecting ourselves. And here, we used to have here a very clear flag like that. By the way, that flag is like that. It's getting broke. That's mean it's indicating the market will go more higher. The entry it was from here. If you want to enter long, now you need to be protecting yourself. And why I'm thinking is going to reverse. It will not continue going upward. It will continue going upward, but why I'm thinking is going to reverse. I'm going to show you in that video. It's our indicator. Look with me here in the 4 hours. We're still in the 4 hours here. Our indicator, what it's telling us here. Look with me here and look here. You got a very clear divergence here in the 4 hours. That's why I'm thinking it's not yet. Should we enter long? No. Should we enter short? No. Shall we close our long position? No. Why? Because there is no price action meet here in the chart telling us we need to enter short. Yes, we got a divergence, we got everything, but not yet. Why? Because that one is just an oscillator. It might from tomorrow is going to come up here and to break everything here. That's why I told you we need a price action here to meet in the chart. In the 4 hours I'm talking here. So where is the price action we have? Is that one. That megaphone here, it needs the market to come and to break lower here for us to enter short. Or it needs to break up here for us to continue with it. Because us already we enter from down here. Everything is very clear. It's still in the 4 hours. Let's see our other indicator what it's saying. The one here, we being here at the overbought area. Level, we are in a very stronger level. I'll show it to you in the 4 hours, in the daily. Should we enter short? Here in the 4 hours, I'm still talking about swing trading. No, there is no price action here indicating the market is going to reverse. The only price action you have is that one. Look with me here. That mega fall like that. You go to your chart and you draw it like that. And you waiting if it came and break a lower here, you close that long position, you enter from down here. If it came upward here and breaking up, that means it's going to continue it upward. That's how they trade it. Not came to me, you want me to tell you where to put stop lose, where to put take profit, where to enter. That things me I finished from it long time. Because people, they are selfish. Even if you give them information free, they don't appreciate it. That's why me I stop giving free signals. Remember what I'm saying or no? Now let's go into 30 minutes to see if there is any scalping and day trading opportunity. Remember that 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. Here we are in 30 minutes. As I said it before, 30 minutes is for scalping and day trading. 30 minutes is for scalping and day trading. What else we got here? Look with me here. In 30 minutes, you got here a head and shoulder. Where is the neckline? The neckline is here, as you see. Is it getting broke? Not yet. It's need that one to come and to break lower here for you to enter short. For you to enter long, what you need? Price action. Where is the price action here in 30 minutes? Because here in 30 minutes, there is no entry long, no entry short. It need at least the market to come to break here for you to enter long, or the market to come lower here and to break lower here for you to enter short. If it doesn't, there is no entry long, no entry short. You need to wait in. what the market is going to tell you. Today is Monday. The market is going to do what against what is going to do all the week. So you need to be careful of those things, and I'm going to come to you after European market close to give you a clear picture if you are a scalper and a day trader. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, what it's saying here. It's saying also we enter here to the oversold area. So technically what else we need to looking for a buy opportunity? Did we got anything there to enter for a buy opportunity? Yes, we got that price action I show you just now. You got that triangle here. If that one came and breaking up here, you enter long with it. Remember that. If that one came and breaking here, you enter long. Not for long. For short, where should you enter? If that one came and breaking lower here, that level here, you enter short. That's it. And you enter and you put stop loss here in the top of the shoulder. Everything is very simple. Just some people, I don't know what's wrong with them, or they don't know what is it trading. They try to blame me. So guys, that's it for that video. See you in another video. Bye for now.